Hey there, if you are watching this video, then I know that you are here to know more about how Infigon Futures is going to help you to set up and market your business as a certified career counselor. Hi, I'm Omkar Patil. I'm the founder CEO of Infigon Futures. Now before I can get into the details of this program, let me tell you one thing. Infigon Futures is the only career counselor certification company in India which provides this level of detailed marketing support to make sure that our career counselors are becoming successful. And believe me, Infigon Futures is an expert of that because we have already done this for more than 1000 counselors in India. Coming to the details, we've given this business and marketing support program a very appropriate name. It's called as the My First 100 program, which is implemented over a period of 3 to 4 months, and the goal is to help our counselors reach to their first 100 clients and a revenue of 10 lakh rupees. This program is a huge value addition and will substantially boost your business whether you've enrolled for the Certified Career Planner or the International Certified Career Planner program. This program is divided into 3 segments. The first is setting up your base, the second is getting you your first 10 clients, and the third is putting you on a growth mode. Now, the first segment. The goal of this segment is to make you completely ready and to make sure that you are ready to enter into the market and talk to anyone about your career counseling practice. We will start with setting up all your social media accounts. We will then give you a training of the product that we are going to be providing you, so you will have a thorough understanding of what is it that you are providing to your clients as a counselor. Then we will polish your entire pitch of what you are supposed to say to parents, students, schools, college, institutions, or any potential clients. We will then provide you with all the marketing materials like your brochure, your leaflets, your pamphlets, your presentations, your proposals, anything that you need to generate business. And then finally, in the 5th step of the first segment, we will launch you on our YouTube channel where there are more than 100,000 subscribers. So after the first segment, you will have the complete confidence of pitching your business, plus you will have all the marketing material needed to market your business. In the second segment, we will start with the practicals. So whatever we have learned in the first segment, we will now start implementing it. Here, we will start with group sessions where you will be interacting with 50 other counselors like you, and you all will be meeting on a regular basis where you will be sharing with and learning from each other. We will then assign you a personal business coach who will be an expert at helping career counselors. This person will connect with you for a minimum of 10 sessions and keep on working with you to giving you new ideas for campaigns. At the same time, we'll be doing multiple other activities. One of the examples is like building your digital community, where we'll share with you the content, the strategies, the messages and the videos which you will need to create a digital community of your potential clients. The goal of this segment is to get you your first 5 free clients and then your first 5 paid clients. In the third segment, our goal would be to help you reach to your next 95 paid clients. Here, we will keep on continuing with your group sessions as well as your one-to-one sessions with the business coach, but we will now start exploring tools which will help you reach to a wider audience. We will study about how to extensively make use of your social media accounts to reach and generate leads. If you are visiting any school, college, institute or coaching academy, our team will join that meeting remotely along with you to give a presentation on your behalf. We will conduct multiple activities which will be a notch up in comparison to the second segment, like the Confusion to Clarity webinar, where all you have to do is get your clients to this webinar where our counseling expert will pitch them the counseling program on your behalf, and then all you have to do is give them a call after the webinar and convince them for enrollment. Coming to the end, the goal of this entire program is to help you succeed as a career counselor. This is a hand-holding program. It's not a spoon-feeding program. And thus, the success of this program would majorly depend on the amount of efforts and contributions that you will give to the success of it. Whether you've enrolled for the Certified Career Planner or the International Certified Career Planner, the My First 100 program will substantially boost your business. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now and take one step towards your career as a Certified Career Planner. All the best.